Hello, guys. Welcome to Traders Therapy Session. I'm your host, KRO. Guys, this is just a short clip video because there are some people who just joined lately from the group. So, and whoever is being watching my videos, I appreciate that, guys. I appreciate that very much. But I like to show you how to navigate and be where we are. If you don't have to go through everything, guys. So with this one, I'll show you with easy steps on how you can follow. Basically, this will be your study guide. So this is how everything is going to follow. There will be extra 6 videos from the course that will be posted, and that will be the 6th video. It will be the last video for 2023 model. I'll post them immediately after this one. It means the videos will be following each other. So you're going to go to the course is for free. You're going to go to YouTube. The course is for free. You're going to go to YouTube, and then you're going to type Traders Therapy Session. Traders Therapy Session. This is really Traders Therapy Session, guys. Traders Therapy Session. And then you can see some of the videos. I want you to go straight to the channel. This is me. You just go straight to the channel. Oh, sorry. You just go straight to the channel. When you get to the channel, this is what I want you to do. Please follow. Write it down. This is your study guide. Just write down. You are not going to write notes. You are just writing what are you going to get from this, where, and then you will be done. You go to the playlist. As you go to the playlist, I want you to go to this right here. If you are not new, just skip the video until you just go. If you are not new to the market, you understand all the basics, you can just come. And by all the basics, I mean you do not ask the candles, you do not ask the trends, you do not ask the structures, you do not have to ask those resistance that will be attacking, you do not ask certain things, you do not ask about the pips, you do not ask the lot size, the leverage and everything. If you want to get the basics, I'll show you where to get to. But if you know you are okay with those basics, just get straight into 2023 bus driver model. This is exactly where it is now 8 videos in total. That means it will be 14 videos. You will get the model. It will be more like this one as well. So the new ones come into this.
Okay,
And
guys.
then I have messed up here, but that won't matter. I need you to be following these videos because this is the last video, guys. This is the last video posted, and this is the first video ever posted here. Then I need you to follow this right here. Then what is Forex? Video number 1. Qualities you need to trade Forex. That will be your video number 2. MT4 introduction, MT4 practical. Number 5, it will be pips and pairs. Then you will have number 6, leverage and lot size. Candlesticks on number 7. Price action patterns. This should have been even before that, but it's fine. It's only 14 minutes. You can learn this. You're not going to do anything with it, by the way. Then you get to number 10, of which it's levels. Guys, I want you to, as you can see from these videos, you can take a day. I want you to take a day, learn these videos, take notes, come back another day, maybe do them 3 times. If you are new, do them at least 3 times so that you can get an idea. Trust me, if you are slow like me when it comes to learning, that means you need to do them even more than that. So after when you're done with number 10, you can now leave. This is the teachings. This is the where I give the theories. And then these are the charts breakdown. Leave them because I'm only explaining retail ideas there. Then you come to go back. After doing that, you go back, you come into this right here.
Do you know what's hiding in?
Sorry. You come into this here. As you come into this, you'll see the first video. It's NFP trading. I've dropped the first lesson, the lesson 2. Then 2.1, it's where I was trading live, I guess. Then we have the market analysis, and then we have FOMC trades. Then you're going to have 3 up to 9 lessons. You're going to have lesson 3 up to lesson 9, of which, not lesson 9, lesson 3, I mean up to lesson 8, of which is what I will bring to you after this video, right? The one that you are seeing here, it will be below this right here. Then you're going to see that. See you guys on the next video. I wish you learn and learn and learn, and let us comment and bring more people. The devil is a liar, guys. We're going to understand this.